happy?
Yeah, but when we buy the house,
Yeah.
now all we gotta do is put the stuff in there and then we move in.
Yep.
And you gotta paint my room.
Yep.
And buy me a puppy for my birthday.
What?
Yeah.
Sorry. I think every time I watch a video, they have trouble.
Oh, it's sold. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, it's sold.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can't complain.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
That was nice. All right, let's get in here. Our fixer upper. This is the entryway. So when you walk in, we did come in yesterday and do a lot of like sweeping and stuff. So that's that. I'm gonna try to cut the lights on. We'll see. And then these are windows in front. And so when you come around here, this is the first bedroom. So this will be my husband's studio and his little closet. All right, so you're gonna come up this step. We're going to be changing the floors in the entryway as well as in the kitchen and bathroom. So this is the living room area. Like I said, we came here yesterday, try to clean up. So we got some cleaners and stuff, but this is the bookshelf. Super cute. This is going to be changed out. Sorry about the lighting, guys. The sun is setting, so I'm gonna swoop around here. This is the living room area. We had these curtains that the sellers left, so I'm super happy about that. Really nice curtains. I'm gonna keep those. Big windows, really big windows, so more than we're used to. And then like it had like a new thermostat and all that, so that's really good. So as you go in here, like I said, we're gonna change the floors. This is the kitchen. So when you come up here, they have the windows right here, big windows, like I said before. It's like 15 windows in here, guys. It's crazy. So it came with new appliances, which is really, really good. Brand new appliances. We're going to paint the cabinets, take out the counters, the sink, and we were gonna install a dishwasher because it does not have one, guys. That's one of the downfalls about that. But we are deciding not to, so we'll see how it goes in a few months or so. That's probably how long it's gonna take for me. But anyways, right here is this lovely window. I always said if I bought a house, I was gonna have a window by the sink. I'm gonna put new curtains. So yeah, it's by the sink. We're also gonna have like a ledge right here for my plants. Also seeing how some people have them on the outside of the cabinets right there. So you guys stay tuned for a lot of DIY and home renovations. So we're gonna swoop around here. This house is about 1,200 square feet. This is the back door. We're gonna swoop around there in a moment. Okay, so this is the back door. And then as you go around here, we're going to replace all this. It's like cracked up and stuff. So we're gonna keep the brown for now, but we're gonna do like the floor pops. I'm thinking that's what we're gonna do, the peel and stick. We'll see what we decide. But this is the hallway leading back to the living room area. And then this is another bedroom. This is going to be the two younger girls' bedroom. Pretty good size for a bunk bed and just a dresser and their closet. So that's that. We're gonna probably paint all the rooms white, and we may have to replace this window. This one is brand new. We're gonna have to replace that one. So we'll see. Good size room though for two small kids. And then as we go through here, this is the living room. This is the family. Say hey.
Hey.
They're super excited. They want me to finish up so they can do stuff. All right, so this is my oldest daughter's room. It's pretty simple. Two big size windows in here. This is her room. Excited. Yeah, so we're going to paint it. We're going to do beach theme. We're also gonna go pick up her bed tomorrow or Saturday, and then it's gonna be all set up. She's also gonna have a desk right here, and we're gonna try to keep it simple and sweet and clean. Go down this way. This is going to be, well, I'm gonna show you guys this first. This is going to be the master bedroom, and it probably is one of the smaller of the bedrooms because we wanted to keep this one ours because this is in the front of the house. So let me try to get a good angle with the kids in here. Sorry guys. And this is our closet. So if you notice, this house does not have a linen closet, which I'm going to show you our solution for that. As you come out of this bedroom, you have the one and only bathroom, which some people may say that that is crazy to have family of 5, 1 bathroom, but I am in love, guys. Not because of the bathroom, how it looks, but just the fact that I only have to clean 1 bathroom. Can I focus on my finger? 1 bathroom. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It has a little window. We're gonna figure out how to put some privacy up there. We might frost this window because I like the light. I love all the windows, so I don't want to take away from that, but it is an older window too, guys. We spent a lot of time trying to clean windows, and I'm gonna try to do a deep clean tomorrow morning, so just excuse that for now. But this is the shower. They actually left these curtains. Gonna probably wash them and keep them, you know. I'm thinking about changing this grout to the black grout. They have the grout pan that you can do, but since this is cream, I just don't know. I'm gonna do some more research and see how it looks. But we also are gonna be painting the tub. You maybe can't tell on camera, but it is a little raggedy. We are on well water, so that's where you have like the orange-ish stuff going on, but it is rough to the touch. It's weird. I tried cleaning it last night, and I'm like, oh, we're gonna have to resurface the tub, but you can tell we already started doing some cleaning. You look close, you can see the well water stain. But I'm glad they kept the lights in here. Oh, hey guys, look a little rough today, sorry. But they got the lights and in the frame and all these little different fixtures. So we plan on doing black fixtures with the oil bronze, which they already have. So we're just gonna continue that through the kitchen whenever we start painting. They have that right there. This toilet is fancy, you see it? Yeah, so just a few touches. We're gonna also do the floors in here. Small touches make a big impact. These walls are textured, you guys. This is a older bungalow. I don't know if that was just the style back then. They kept it, obviously. So it's very textured. We're going to paint. We're also going to be removing this popcorn ceiling. It is thick. I don't know how many layers they put on there, but it is super thick. So that's the only thing that really bothers me, like looking at it, like first, you know, at first glance, is the popcorn ceilings. They're like, it feels like it's hanging over me, like, you know, I don't know. This house is so quirky. Like, if you can see the ceilings, it's like, and that's why I love it, guys. So this, like I said, this is just the girls' room, and then we circle around back into the kitchen and just give you guys an overview. And that's the back door. So that's my sweet husband bringing in boxes. We were bringing in some of the boxes so that we can slowly move in. We have about a few weeks. We have about a week until we move in, so that we can actually fully move in. We'll probably move in this weekend, but we don't have to be out for another week. Anyways, we're gonna go to the backyard. I'm gonna show you guys where the laundry is. It is outside. It is outside. We have this cute little walkway that we're going to probably either take up or like put some lights on it, some flowers, something. This is the dawn of the new day type area. I don't know, but this is my laundry room. This is where it's going to be at. Uh-oh, I gotta go get the key. Just a second. Apparently, guys, I had the key already. So this is the key that we got some keys made. I don't know. Go in here, guys, if I can get in here. All right. Looks creepy, guys. But this is my laundry room. It's spooky, huh? Has a lot of touch up. We're gonna try to do a transformation in here some kind of way. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're going to do it. It has windows like all around this place. So this is the water heater, I believe. Yeah, this is a water heater. And then we have a well, and then which it leads outside. And then this is where the washer is gonna go, and then that's where the dryer is gonna go. Weird situation with this window right here behind the washer. So I don't even think these are windows. These are like plastic. Oh no, that's window. that's plastic. I don't know. I don't think it's real. Like it's glass. I think it's just like a thick plastic. I think that's what it is. So that's what I think. That's what the person told us. So yeah, I'm going to like paint in here. You know, once you start living in a house, it gets better. So I'm just gonna shut that for now. Probably pressure wash this door. Guys, sorry, this is a crazy video, but we're gonna head back around. So we have a fence right here, but our property extends to you see that tree? Our property extends in the middle of this like marsh area. So I don't know if we're gonna keep this fence here or what, but I know we're gonna be taking out all this stuff back here. You hear that noise? It's not noise, guys. That's nature at its finest. So this is gonna be my little garden area. I'm thinking right here will be a nice little spot for a garden, right by my kitchen window, under over this way. And they already got some plants right here already, so that works out. That's the well, you know, the well or whatever. So we come out this way. This is all of our property. Also, I mean, it's not a huge yard, but I mean, it's great for the kids and it's easy to maintain. So we have a good size to do things back here. We're gonna probably get them a trampoline and do some other things out here. These huge trees, guys, like it looks like we are in the country, but we're in the city. It's crazy. We have well water and we're in the city. We also have this huge, I say huge lot, this nice size lot, and we're in the city, literally up the street from downtown. So this is a blessing, and you can see how it looks. The camera makes it look really good. But I don't like these little pointy type things. Don't know the name of them, but they're gonna be aggravating. Hopefully we can trim some of these trees down. I know we're gonna be trimming this magnolia tree, and then whatever this tree is, that's where those little pokey things come from. So we're gonna try to trim a few of those down just to get it from being like hanging over the house. So this limb and then that limb, those are the only two that's over the house, and then there's one over there that's kind of over the car, if you can see it. So we could probably do that on a weekend. So like I said, this is the front of the house and the beautiful windows. We also will be making this a guest room. This is my husband's studio, but it'll also double as a guest room. So we're gonna try to keep it very quaint, not messy, while we if we have guests or something like that, they come over. We do have family that live 7 hours away, so we probably won't have that many visitors, but you never know, we might meet some new people. You never know. So that's it, guys. So it's getting late in the evening, so I'm going to end the vlog empty house tour here. So if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to our channel. This is our new family channel. We're super excited about starting this process and filming and documenting our lives in Florida and our new home and just all the different things to make this house, this little bungalow, a home, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. So what are we doing?
Taking the home buyer's education course.
Hold on. What are we doing?
Taking the home buyer's education course.
That's right. Why?
We're
Why?
purchasing a home, actually.
What happened today? What happened today?
The realtor called us today and we were approved. They accepted our offer.
What's today's date?
Today is March the 14th, 2020 at 6:47, and we're only one question in on this test.
Are you excited, babe?
I'm very excited.
Mr.
I'd be more
Homeowner.
excited to get the question number 16.
Your grandkids are gonna look back on this and they're gonna say how their grandpa was so impatient.
He was right to the point. He handled business.
Okay.